What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and well, FedEx did it again. Let that focus in on there. Hopefully you can see that. It is now 3:32. They said at 10 or 2:50 p.m. they made a delivery attempt. While I was here all day waiting on this delivery, I actually saw the FedEx truck drive past my house and never stopped down, never even slowed down in my direction. So I'm going to be on the phone here shortly. FedEx sucks. Now, I waited around all day today. Could have did a ton of stuff today. Made sure I was here. Made sure I did not leave here. And yeah, unbelievable. For all the people, the last time I posted a video that said the FedEx sucked and they were yelling at me, telling me it was because of the pandemic. It's not. It's not. FedEx sucks.
Please call us back later with your door tag or tracking number.
I did not get a door tag or tracking number because you're really hanging up on me.
Welcome to FedEx. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality.
It is hard to
assurance.
find their number.
Please note that our pickup and delivery operations are continuing within the United States.
Let's see what they have to say here.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Please tell me what you're calling about in a few words. For example, you could say, find the nearest FedEx location. Or, I want to set up a new account. If you prefer to choose an option from a menu, say, give me options. So, what can I help you with?
A failed delivery attempt.
Okay, a missed delivery. Would you like to track the delivery?
No, I would not like to track it. I would like to know why it was not delivered.
Sorry, if you'd like to track the delivery, say yes. If not, say no.
No.
All right, what's the tracking number or door tag number for that shipment?
I don't have a door tag because they didn't leave one.
If your request involves an international shipment, press 1 now. Otherwise, please stay on the line. Just a moment while I transfer you to a FedEx customer service representative.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling FedEx. This is Raul. How can I help you today?
Yes, this is Danny. I'm actually calling because I've had a notification about 2 deliveries for today. Stayed around all day and just got a notification that it was a missed delivery attempt, which is impossible because I've actually been here and watched the FedEx truck drive past my house.
Okay, sir. I really do apologize for that situation. Can you provide me the tracking number of one package, please?
I'm going to have to go into the system here and get it. Give me 1 second.
Okay, sure. Do we have here? Okay, may I have your address as well, please?
Sure.
Okay, sir, I have tracked the package for you, and the commitment for this package is today, on Monday. The scheduled delivery is between today and tomorrow, but today they are going to deliver the package between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, I mean, for that reason, you haven't received the package. Remember that the drivers have the road, they have to take some streets that are closed for the pandemic situation, you know.
Okay. Well, the reason I'm calling is because I got a second email says that we made a delivery attempt 10/5/2020 at 2:50 p.m. Delivery attempt was made, and it's going to be delivered tomorrow now.
Yes.
There was no attempt made. I actually saw the truck drive past.
Yes. And how many packages are you going to receive?
Excuse me?
How many packages are you going to receive?
I believe there's two.
2 packages, right? Yes. Let me take notes of this one.
Two totally separate deliveries here.
Okay. Thank you.
So you're telling me it's still going to be delivered today on your end?
Here in my system, I have that today is going to be delivered. But if you said that you received that notification, it's because maybe it hasn't arrived here to the system. But as I told you, the scheduled delivery also is for tomorrow. So maybe if you don't get it today, so you are going to get it tomorrow. The same hours business. It is 9 a.m. from 6 p.m. 9 a.m. Yes, to 6 p.m.
Okay. Well, I mean, that makes no sense to me because I got a delivery notification this morning that said it's going to be arrived today and needs a direct signature. So I deliberately stayed here all day, watched the truck drive past, and then got a notification it's going to be tomorrow. So I need an explanation for that.
Yes, of course. I totally understand. Can you provide me the second one tracking number, please?
You need the second tracking number. Yes. Give me a second here.
Okay, sure. 301.
Correct.
Let me see.
Now, this one says that they made a delivery attempt at 9:28 a.m., which also is impossible because I was also here at that time. And they did not leave a door tag for either one of these packages.
Yes, also the commitment for this second package I have is today between the hours that you already said. 9 from 4 p.m. Yes. So for that reason, you are telling me that you received a notification that the first attempt was done.
Correct.
Okay. Let me verify something. Can you give me a couple of minutes, please?
Sure.
I'll be back. Thank you so much.
Unbelievable. So now after going kind of round and round with this guy, this is the third phone call I had to make to get a hold of someone. We are well over 10 minutes, 10 and a half minutes here now. And he needs to check into something. He's telling me it's still going to be delivered today, even though I got a notification was already, both of these packages are coming from two different places. One is the Huron Speed stuff that we're waiting on to complete. Actually, this order here, it's the Turbo GMC parts, the rest of the turbo system. The second is some Texas Speed stuff, gave him both tracking numbers. He says they're still going to be delivered today. But I got notification they're not going to be. So now we're just on hold. FedEx, you keep doing this, I'm going to keep making videos. I mean, it's ridiculous. Nobody else do I have issues with. USPS, not an issue. UPS, not an issue. FedEx, almost every time an issue. It's now 13 minutes, still on hold. 15 minutes, still on hold.
Here I have and scan because we as a company, we scan the packages and the last scan says that your package was out to deliver today, but I don't know why this guy didn't knock your door because the package was out for deliver today. So I'm so sorry for this inconvenience. At the end of this call, I'm going to send a feedback to this city, also the state, and this is going to be sent to that state, and the the supervisor of the drivers, they're going to take care of this feedback that I am about to send. And
Okay.
I'm so sorry for this inconvenience. And the next attempt is going to be tomorrow. And don't worry, if you don't receive your package tomorrow, give us a call back. Explain the situation that you didn't receive your package, even if a driver didn't knock your door. Tell us that, okay?
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm telling you that today, but I understand that. But tell me why this is always an issue. It's like I get deliveries, tons of deliveries from USPS, not an issue. From UPS,
Yeah.
not an issue. From FedEx, almost every time it's an issue.
Yes, I really do apologize, sir, but this is a problem that the drivers are making right now because me as a customer service representative, I'm in charge to listen to the customer, open case, open claims, and I send to the main office, and just the drivers are the problem, sir. I'm so sorry for this inconvenience.
Okay. And I understand it's not your fault. You did not,
Yes.
misdeliver it.
Please believe me when I tell you that I'm going to send this feedback.
Okay.
And if you, yes.
I can't for the life of me figure out why it's always an issue. I mean, and it's almost a different delivery driver every time. So I got to think it's internal in the company. I mean, you can't blame every driver for misdelivering.
Yes, sir, I totally do apologize your situation. And as I told you, we are doing our best always. So I'm so sorry, sir, and I really hope you receive your package. This feedback is going to see the supervisor of the drivers. So I hope you work it out, okay?
Okay, so your advice is you hope I work it out. All right. Thank you.
Thank you for calling. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for agreeing to take our survey. On a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 meaning you strongly disagree and 5 meaning you strongly agree, please use the corresponding number on your telephone keypad to answer the following question about your experience on this call.
No, I'd be glad
Overall, I'm satisfied with the customer service representative.
to. 1 meaning I strongly disagree.
We appreciate your feedback. Thank you from FedEx. Goodbye.
Nice, FedEx. So what he told me was he's going to send a report in. The supervisor's going to talk to the driver. And he hopes we work it out and I get my package. Really? He hopes I get my package. I certainly hope I get my package too. I'm obviously very fed up. I know that guy, it's not his issue. He was actually polite on the phone, but polite only gets you so far. Getting the job done will get a lot further than being polite. Insanity. I mean, how can FedEx be that incompetent as a company? As I said, all those that wanted to comment rudely on the last video I made about FedEx and their incompetence and blaming it on me and the pandemic, not true. Not true at all. They suck as a company. The guy just said, I hope it gets worked out. Not, we'll contact the driver, have him turn around and deliver it to you, which is what they should have did. Apparently it's on the truck. Both of those deliveries is on the truck. Now it's out riding around who knows where, and hopefully they deliver it tomorrow, which means I can't go anywhere tomorrow either, because if I do leave, there may be a good possibility they won't deliver it. There's a good possibility it's not going to get delivered anyway, because there's a good possibility they'll never stop. Unbelievable. FedEx, you suck. I actually think I still have, yep, here it is. There it is. FedEx, you suck. Not even update shipping notifications. You did that this time. You just did not deliver. So here, we'll fold that part up. FedEx sucks. FedEx sucks. FedEx sucks. Well, I do have to apologize. Obviously, I'm pretty upset about this. Again, it's an ongoing issue. The video I was going to put out today was the whole Huron Speed Turbo Kit. We got the cold side and a bunch of the other parts in a couple days ago. They got the hot side all finished up. It was sent out a couple days later. Not a big deal, except it didn't show up. FedEx did not deliver it again. And of course, it's my fault. So instead of having a happy upload of showing the Huron Speed Turbo Kit, which I was very, very excited to do, very excited to schedule the install of this, now we're going to have this upload about FedEx sucking again.